of this formula, what do you need to do? Take away everything that has to do with x and leave x alone. So the first thing is to take away the loose terms, and this is the loose term here. So you subtract 3y from both sides. So you have to subtract 3y from both sides. That gives you x squared plus 3y minus 3y equals to 4 minus 3y. 3y cancels 3y, you're left with x squared equals to 4 minus 3y. X squared. Now we want to take away the square term. Okay, we just want to have x. So the square should be taken away. What's the opposite of raised to power 2? It's raised to power half, the reciprocal of 2. If you had x cubed, to take away the cube, you'd do a raised to power, a reciprocal of 3, which is 1 over 3. So in this case, we're going to raise this to the power half. So it's going to be x squared to the power half equals to 4 minus 3y to the power half. To the power half means square root, isn't it? So what's x to the power? Remember our indices, where you've got that, it becomes x squared times 1 over 2. Now 2 cancels 2, that gives you x will be equal to the square root of 4 minus 3y. So x is actually root 4 minus 3y. Okay, now that is the subject of this formula. Time is fast spent, and I would not like to delay you any further. We continue with algebraic equations and inequalities. Same time next week. And it's important that you solve as many questions as you can. And if you have problems, send them to me by email, or you have my contact on my page. So it's nothing else. Just send it and we'll get talking. And if you think you need some real private coaching, send me an email and I'll fix a time for private online tutoring for us, okay? Until next week, I'll remain Online Slayer and I'll catch you. Cheers. Bye.